Hi, welcome to Winning the Inside Battle Wednesdays. This is a great particular segment because we're talking about marshmallows, how a marshmallow can change your life. I'm Dr. Ben Lerner, New York Times bestselling author of Body by God and corporate and executive coach. And we're going to be talking about the marshmallow study today because winning the inside battle, like we're going to discuss every Wednesday, is not a battle when it comes to wellness of your stomach or your muscles. It's a battle that takes place between your ears. That's what we mean by inside, not inside your belly, inside your brain. And so the marshmallow study is important because it talks about strategies for getting control of your thinking, your decision making, to not only change your diet, but your whole life. If you remember the old Trix cereal commercial, there was a rabbit that would try to pretend it was human or dress up like like another kid and eat the cereal. Eventually, the children would foil the rabbit's plan and say, "Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids." But as we'll learn in the marshmallow study, tricks are for adults. So Walter Mischel, he's the PhD that did the marshmallow study. And what he found was that he could put children in a room, he put preschoolers in a room, and he found that he could put a marshmallow in front of them. And he would say to them, "If you can wait until I come back before eating that marshmallow, I will give you 2 marshmallows. I will double the reward." And he found that only a handful of the children could actually delay gratification and get 2 marshmallows instead. And they learned a lot because they followed these children for the next couple of decades and found out that as teenagers, the kids that delayed gratification, that waited to eat the marshmallow to get double, those kids had better SAT scores. As they tracked them on to college and beyond, the kids that could wait for the marshmallow, those kids had better relationships. Those kids did better in school. They also have better careers and made more money. So there's a lot to this idea of being able to harness the executive strategies of your brain and create skill sets for the ability to have self-control when it comes to not just your diet and your exercise, but your whole entire life. So what does this mean for you and being a healthier, more fit person that sticks to going to the chiropractor, that makes it to church on Sundays, that does everything they're supposed to do to be successful at work, but also ends up actually eating better long-term, getting in great shape, working out more often, long-term? How do we pull this off? So it was all about the tricks. The kids that could put off eating the marshmallow, those kids would tap their fingers, look the other way. They would put their head down, cover up the marshmallow. They had tricks to not eating the marshmallow. These are what we call executive strategies, skill sets to delaying gratification, to self-control. So when it comes to, for example, my diet, and now I eat well all the time, here was my first trick. I've got about a dozen tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you. They're in a book I just wrote called Winning the Inside Battle of Wellness. We'll share them every Wednesday. But my first trick was the brownie trick. This brownie is made of almond flour, stevia, and unsweetened cocoa powder. So essentially, if I ate several of these brownies, it would be the same as eating a couple of handfuls of almonds and some unsweetened cocoa powder, which has a really high ORAC value, meaning that it's a great antioxidant. So I'd be getting myself healthier, but tricking myself into thinking I'm eating lots of dessert food, that I'm gorging on sweets, but it's really just a brownie. So one important trick for you is to make sure you have your go-to foods, your go-to snacks, go-to desserts and recipes that help you to avoid cheating and getting off your diet. These strategies will help you build your brain. They'll help you build your self-discipline, again, to not only be healthier and more fit, but better in all areas of your life. I'll be going over more of these tricks with you every single week. Stay tuned for, again, the book, Winning the Inside Battle of Wellness. These videos can change people's lives. Many people don't know about these tricks and studies, so please share the video. Make sure other people get to see it. And don't forget to honor God with your body.